Hey praisers and savers, I'm in my local CVS and I got the best Easter gift from my fiance. I'm so excited to use it. He knows I love CVS and giving me a CVS gift card is the best gift ever. So we're gonna be doing a lot of toothpaste deals this week. There's some great deals out there, so let's start. So the first deal I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this Crest toothpaste. It's $4.29. If you don't like this one, you can get something else, but I'm trying to get this spend $15, get $5 off. Now I do not have my P&G coupons like I normally do, but there is a coupon on the app where if you get 4 of the Crest toothpaste 3.0 ounces, you'll get a $6 coupon. So I want to grab those. Now there's also a coupon on my app where if I spend $25 on toothpaste, I'll get $4 off. So that's a store coupon. So I'm going to try to get to that threshold of $25 to get that $4. Keep on doing what we're doing. I'm going to get some of this Crest toothpaste. They're $3.99 each. So I'm going to use a $1 off coupon for both of those. And then when you buy 2, you're getting $4 off in the coupon, the red box. But I have them on my app. It loaded for me, so I'm going ahead and doing that. And then I'm also going to work on this deal where if I spend, if I buy 2 of these, then I'm getting $5 back in extra care bucks. So that's going to take us to our threshold of $25 to get $4 off of toothpaste. This is what your cart should look like so far. Now I got the cheaper of the toothpaste that I like, so you should have 4 Crest and 4 Colgate. Now make sure you're careful because this Colgate right here is not giving back extra care bucks. This is just the ones that I'm using the $4 off coupon on the red box. So let me give you some breakdown. Right now, because I got the cheaper of the toothpaste, this is $35.12. So just say $35. All right, so I'm using a $6 off coupon on the app for the Crest. All right, I'm using a 4 of these Colgate coupons, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and then there's also a $4 digital coupon when you spend $25 on tooth products. There is also a $5 extra care buck when you buy those 4. And there's actually another $5 extra care buck when you buy these 2. So it brings our total down to $11. So $11 for all of that toothpaste, that would have cost me $35. Awesome deal. All right, guys, next thing I'm going to be getting are the Tide Simplies. And I have a coupon for both. You should check your app. There should be a coupon for the pods and also for the liquid. So pick up both if you can. These are just great just to have. The coupon that's on the app is for $1 off. I'm going to pick up the Oxy in the pods and also the Oxy in the liquid detergent, making these $1.94 each. Digital coupons used only. My last deal of the day is going to be some of this. Oh, I'm gonna try this instead. Okay, so they've got the mousse here and I need that, and this is the finishing mist, which is like hairspray. So these are $16.49 each, and so I'm going to get both of those. I'm going to use a $5 off coupon for each of those, and that's going to make me be able to get that $25 threshold, which is going to give me back $10 in extra care bucks. So this is some pretty expensive shampoos and hairstyling products, so I'm getting it for next to nothing. These are all the different ones you could get. I thought about getting these 2 here because I do have blonde hair, and so that will be a pretty good out of pocket. I think I can only do this deal once, but I'll set this coupon for next week too because this may come back. But I'm going ahead and picking up this hairspray and mousse. Guys, I just left CVS using my amazing gift card that I got from my fiance. My total was about $87, about $88 for everything. I got the 2 Nexus, 2 Tides, and the 8 toothpaste, so $88. And I spent out of pocket, well, I spent on my gift card $18 on my gift card. Now, I did have some extra care bucks from my previous transactions that rolled over, and we always have those, so I just use those as cash. No, I don't really factor it, but I did out of pocket today spend $18 after using some of my extra care bucks. And also, I forgot Fetch. I did do my Fetch rewards just now, and I got 91 points, which is about 91 cents. I did not have anything on IBOTTA for the items that I got today. So, all right, guys, I hope you can go check out that toothpaste deal. It was the best one I got. I didn't do a lot of deals this week because I am missing my P&G coupons, but I should have them by tomorrow, and I'll get out and go to CVS by tomorrow. All right, guys, subscribe. Bye.